Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm remaking this video because I found out that I did something wrong. So go to the website Minecraft skins, pick the skin that you want, download to computer, open with, press OK, X out of that, drag it into your folder. Now I'm gonna delete this one and I'm going to rename it to char. Enter. Now you can leave it like that. Go to start %app data, enter .minecraft bin Minecraft, right click, open with WinRAR, mob char. You need to delete it. Press OK. So now you don't have it. Go to the skins and drag it into here. Press OK and you should have it here. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see ya.